We're on SAT Practice Test 4, Math Section 1, Question 16. What's the level of difficulty here? Guys, this is the first hard question on Section 1. And from here on out, it's going to be hard or stupid hard. Which equation is equivalent to this mess where x and y are positive? So I'm not going to rewrite this thing. We're looking for this thing rewritten some way. Can you plug in here? Sure, you can plug in. There's letters here. There's letters all over the answer choices. And it's definitely possible. It's just going to take way too long. Easiest way to do this thing is to just understand the rule and be able to apply the rule very quickly. So I am going to rewrite it. And the rule is very, very simple. It's that when you've got something like an x inside a square root sign, you got something here, like, I don't know, we'll put a 3 here and a 2 here. What you do to do the fractional thing is you put the squared thing on top and the square root thing on bottom. So in the little thing I made here, what's the squared thing? It's on top. And that should make sense to you. Squared stuff gets bigger, bigger stuff goes on top. The square root thing goes on the bottom. And that should make some sense to you. Square root stuff is like gets smaller, so it goes on bottom. However you want to remember it, it doesn't matter. Squared stuff goes on top of the fraction, square root stuff goes on the bottom. So what are we dealing with? X to the what? Squared stuff goes on top, square root stuff goes on bottom. Y to the what? Squared stuff goes on top, square root stuff goes on the bottom. Okay, so that's the answer. Let's write down A, B, C, D, and let's cross stuff off. A, x to the 7 over 9. No, that's wrong. Why is it wrong? Why did the evil testing service writers put that there? It's in case you just got it flipped and you put the 7 on top instead of on bottom. Okay, B. What's this? Hey, look at that, man. You can rewrite this thing as this thing because it's x to the 9 over 7 and y to the 9 over 7. Great. That's cool. That's the answer. You could get that right in 6 seconds and move on. But real quickly, let's look at C and think about why the evil testing service writers put it there. Why'd they do that? It's because somebody's going to look at this thing and they're going to say, oh, I don't know, 7 plus 9. No, that's wrong. And then why did they put this one here? Obviously, because somebody's going to say, I don't know, 7 times 9. No, that's wrong. This is a 6 to 12 second problem if you know this rule. And if you don't know the rule, you could plug in. It's going to take a lot longer. But you can get this right so quick and move on.